This 2021 Cruiser RV Embrace EL310 2BDRM double slide outside kitchen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Cruiser RV is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, Skylight, air conditioning, TV, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Cruiser RV Embrace EL310 2BDRM double slide outside kitchen is 7,200 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.